You ready to go to the grocery store? Yeah? Oops, did I drop them? Let's figure this way so we don't get one over here. Might make a little more sense. Better? Wait. Careful. Turn. Okay, let's see what we need to do. Nice. Hang on, I gotta find my list here. Thank you, that's good. Let's take on the board and pop up a penny back, please. Beep beep. Beep beep. Back up. Thank you. Stay there. I'm going to go first. Over. Over. Up over. Okay, what else? Milk. Okay, you gotta back up again, sorry, but beep beep, because it's always on the wrong side, it seems, eh? Touch your nose. I think they have any blue sticks. Let's see. Oh, I see the blue sticks. The big ones. You want these? You want this? Yeah? So we're gonna get them. Okay? And after when you get home. Yeah, you gotta come over there. Gotta get by. Okay, let's go back. Alright. Good. Up.
Looking for a great opportunity? Why not work here? There's a place for you at IGA. Be the reason our guests choose to shop simple goodness
What else do
every
we
day.
need here?
We would
What
love
else
to
do
have
we
you
need?
on our team. Visit IGAstores.com for more details.
Booster sauce. That would probably be here. Do you think booster sauce is here? Do you know what that is? Or you want just want cookies? Okay. Here. What's with this store? Is it different than the other one? Do you like the other one better? Doka? Doka, Doka. Oh, do it better. No, there we go. Good boy. Let's have a look. I can't see that with my overloaded frame. Worcester sauce, or some people call it Worcester, but it's Worcester. Let's do this. Let's gotta turn thing on here. Please shut these here. Yeah, let's go. Oh, is that what it is down here? That's what it is. That's tiny. Crap. Yes, now I gotta get back up, buddy. Too bad you can grab that. I didn't quite trust you with this. If we drop this, we're gonna have a big mess, huh? Drop this to Worcester sauce. right. All right. Lemon. Specific clues. You gotta beep beep, back up. Beep beep. Good boy. Okay, let's go back to the other one. Just gotta look at the thing here. Mommy. Oh, you need cookies? Yeah, you gotta get to choose. What, you want a notebook? You have to write some stuff down. Right. This way. And this way. Oh, we got my choose. Leave it, please. You have a good choose. Chocolate powder. I do have a Nesquik. I do have Nesquik right here. I wish some of the stuff you could pick up for me. That would make my life so much easier, right? But it's a little awkward for you to that stuff. I get those and stuff because we don't have a cooler. I don't even think of bringing a cooler or ice. We don't have much of a break. Oh, we do have this. Bobby. Let's see what's on the list here. Come back, please. Bibi. Bibi, turn. What should you want the notebook? What should you want the notebook? Okay. What do you want the notebook? You want a notebook? You want a notebook? Notebook. Here's our roof. This way. Alright, let's go. Careful here. Back. This one open? Yeah. Hit it. Back. Right. How are you? I'm alright. Thank you, man. Up. Oh, you get the leash, please. I'm stepping on it. Get the leash now, please. Yeah. You're still stepping on it. Thank you. All right. Now the spin, please. You can get out of the way here. See ya. All right. Let's go.